That's crazy. That's a nice color. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Right here we got a 1966 MG. This is an old British car. It's a really cute little car, and we've actually been restoring this at our auto body shop. It's been a long-term project. We did this whole thing. It's been rotisserie restored and all that good stuff, and it's finally to the point where we're going to be finally painting the entire outside. So stay tuned, because later we're going to be painting an awesome color on this thing. So first we're going to blow this thing off because it's all dusty, and we're going to get it ready for paint. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we got this thing ready now. As you saw, we put it on jack stands to give it a bit more height, just so it's easier to paint down low, because this is a pretty low car. And yeah, now we can start by masking off all the areas that we don't want paint to get on, and then we're gonna close up everything and taper it down to the floor, and then should be ready to go. So let's get masking. Alright guys, look at this. We got the whole car masked up. It actually looks pretty cool. We got like a whole curtain going around the whole bottom of the car here, and I basically blew off the whole floor, so all the dust should be out of here, and this way taping it to the floor will prevent any dust from coming from underneath. But now we are ready to paint it. We got this thing degreased and cleaned, so let's go mix up that beautiful green. Take a look at that, guys. Oh man, that's crazy. Now you can really see how much sparkle there is. And there's like all pearls and fancy flips to it. It's actually a really cool green. So we're gonna finish mixing that up and then we're gonna spray it on the car. So let's get to it.
Food for the soul. When I first experienced the world of electronic music, my perspective shifted. A community of people so connected on this energetic wavelength, with an undenying love and connection to the music. It turned out to be food for the soul. For the soul.
Well, there you have it, guys. The car is completely painted and man, did it turn out great. This car's got some crazy effects in it. It's probably one of the most aggressive pearls I've seen in a paint job. This green almost looks black from certain angles, like it gets really dark. And then when the sun hits it just right, it's a super sparkly bright green. And it's gorgeous, honestly. This cute little British car is gonna look amazing once it's all done. And we still have to do a bit of polish work on it, but I say this is great for now. And if you guys enjoyed it, subscribe, stay notified, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.